Want to live a longer, healthier life? Plant-based diets are key. They're packed with fruits, veggies, legumes, and whole grains. Think vibrant colors and incredible flavors. These foods are naturally low in unhealthy fats and cholesterol. Plus, they're bursting with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential. They protect your body from chronic diseases, reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some cancers. It's like giving your body a fighting chance. Let's discover how to create delicious plant-based meals. This will nourish your body from the inside out. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Creating a balanced plant-based plate is easier than you think. It's all about combining different food groups. This ensures you get all the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Imagine your plate divided into 4 sections. Each section plays a crucial role in your meal. This makes it not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. First up, we have non-starchy vegetables. These are your leafy greens, colorful peppers, and crunchy cucumbers. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Next, we have whole grains. Think quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. They provide long-lasting energy and are full of fiber, which is great for digestion. Non-starchy vegetables are your best friends when it comes to plant-based eating. They are low in calories and carbohydrates, but bursting with essential nutrients. Think of vibrant bell peppers, leafy spinach, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. These are your go-to sources for vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help boost your immune system. They protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. It's like giving your body a natural shield. Aim to fill half of your plate with these nutritional powerhouses. Roast them, sauté them, or enjoy them fresh in salads. The possibilities are endless. Whole grains are an essential part of a balanced plant-based diet. They are packed with nutrients that are vital for maintaining good health and well-being. They provide complex carbohydrates, which your body breaks down slowly. This slow digestion process helps to keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and irritability. This gives you sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you're working, exercising, or just going about your daily activities, whole grains can help keep you energized and focused. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their bran and germ. These parts of the grain are rich in nutrients and fiber, which are often lost during the refining process. This makes them a good source of fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like iron and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in various bodily functions, from energy production to maintaining healthy skin and hair. Fiber is essential for digestive health. It helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied after meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or control their appetite. When choosing grains, opt for quinoa, which is not only high in protein, but also contains all 9 essential amino acids. Brown rice is another excellent choice, providing a nutty flavor and a chewy texture. Oats are perfect for a hearty breakfast, and whole wheat bread can be a versatile base for sandwiches and toast. Incorporate them into your meals in creative ways. Think hearty grain bowls topped with fresh vegetables and a drizzle of dressing, warm porridge with fruits and nuts, or satisfying sandwiches with your favorite fillings. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for the nutritious fuel. Section 5. Healthy fats. Your brain's best friend. Don't be afraid of fats. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. In fact, healthy fats are crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Healthy fats are essential for a balanced plant-based diet. They provide the necessary nutrients that your body cannot produce on its own. These fats support brain function, hormone production, and heart health. They play a vital role in keeping your cognitive functions sharp and your mood stable. Think of avocados, nuts, and seeds as your go-to sources for these beneficial fats. Seeds such as chia and flax and olive oil are also excellent choices. These foods are packed with nutrients that your body craves. These are your sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, while polyunsaturated fats provide essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6. These good fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. They also reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Including these fats in your diet can lead to a longer, healthier life. Incorporate a small portion of healthy fats into your meals. It's easier than you think. Drizzle olive oil over salads for a delicious and nutritious boost. Add a dollop of avocado to your sandwich for a creamy texture and added health benefits. Or sprinkle some nuts and seeds on top of your porridge or yogurt for a crunchy, nutrient-packed addition. Your body will thank you. By making these small changes, you'll be supporting your brain, heart, and overall health in the best way possible. Section 6. Plant-based protein powerhouse. Worried about getting enough protein on a plant-based diet? Don't be. There are plenty of plant-based protein sources that are both delicious and nutritious. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are protein powerhouses. They are also excellent sources of fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are soy-based products that are complete proteins. This means they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Incorporate these plant-based protein sources into your meals regularly. Add lentils to soups and stews, toss chickpeas into salads, or enjoy a tofu scramble for breakfast. Section 7. Recipe Time: Quinoa and Chickpea Power Bowl. Today we're diving into a nutritious and vibrant dish that's perfect for any meal of the day. Whether you're looking for a hearty lunch, a light dinner, or a post-workout meal, this power bowl has got you covered. Let's put it all together with a delicious and easy-to-follow recipe: Quinoa and Chickpea Power Bowl. This dish is not only packed with flavor, but also brimming with nutrients that will keep you fueled and satisfied. Start with 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic base for this bowl because it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's gluten-free and high in fiber. Next, add 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them perfect for keeping you full and energized. Then, add 1 cup of chopped cucumber and 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. These fresh veggies add a wonderful crunch and burst of flavor. Don't forget ½ cup of chopped red onion. Red onions add a nice sharpness and a bit of color to the bowl. And ½ cup of chopped fresh parsley. Parsley not only adds a fresh herby flavor, but also brings in a dose of vitamins A, C, and K. For the dressing, you'll need a ¼ cup of olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that helps to absorb all the nutrients from the vegetables. Add a ¼ cup of lemon juice for a zesty kick. Lemon juice not only brightens up the flavors, but also provides a good amount of vitamin C. Then add 1 tablespoon of tahini. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, adds a creamy texture and a nutty flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance all the natural flavors of the ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, and parsley. Mixing these ingredients together ensures that every bite is packed with a variety of textures and flavors. Make sure to mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients are evenly distributed. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, and tahini. This dressing is simple, yet incredibly flavorful, tying all the ingredients together beautifully. Make sure to whisk until the dressing is smooth and well combined. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to the dressing, adjusting to your taste preference. Pour the dressing over the quinoa mixture and toss to coat. This ensures that every ingredient is well coated with the delicious dressing. This power bowl is packed with plant-based protein, making it an excellent choice for vegans and vegetarians. It's also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion, and healthy fats, which are essential for overall health. Plus, the variety of vegetables provides a wide range of essential nutrients. It's a satisfying and flavorful meal that will keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Enjoy this quinoa and chickpea power bowl as a nutritious and delicious addition to your meal rotation. Section 8. Embrace the plant-based goodness. As you can see, creating balanced plant-based meals is both easy and enjoyable. By incorporating the 4 key components into your plate, You can nourish your body from the inside out. Remember to fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Include a small portion of healthy fats. And don't forget about those plant-based protein sources. By embracing a plant-based lifestyle, you're not only improving your health, but also contributing to a more sustainable planet. It's a win-win situation. Section 9. Share your culinary creations. Now it's your turn to get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different plant-based ingredients. Explore new recipes. And most importantly, have fun with it. Once you've mastered the art of the balanced plant-based plate, share your culinary creations with the world. Post pictures of your meals on social media. Inspire others to join the plant-based movement. Let's make healthy eating delicious, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Syed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.